For homeowners in Mesa, replacement windows are a valuable investment that can improve comfort, energy efficiency, and overall home value. However, the performance of these windows depends not only on their quality but also on how they are installed. Even the most advanced, energy-efficient windows can fail to deliver expected results if installation is not done correctly. Proper installation plays a critical role in ensuring that replacement windows perform effectively in Mesa's hot and dry climate. One of the most important aspects of installation is creating a tight, secure seal. In Mesa, where temperatures can rise significantly, even small gaps around a window can allow hot air to enter and cool air to escape. This forces air conditioning systems to work harder, increasing energy costs and reducing indoor comfort. Professional installation ensures that windows are properly sealed with high-quality materials, preventing air leaks and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. Another key factor is proper insulation around the window frame. During installation, the space between the window and the wall must be filled with insulation to prevent heat transfer. If this step is done incorrectly or skipped, the window may not provide the expected level of energy efficiency. In Mesa's climate, where heat gain is a constant concern, proper insulation is essential for keeping indoor spaces cool and reducing energy consumption. Alignment and positioning also have a direct impact on performance. Windows must be installed level and square to function correctly. If a window is misaligned, it may not close properly, leading to drafts and reduced efficiency. Misalignment can also affect how smoothly the window operates, making it difficult to open or close. Professional installers ensure that each window is precisely positioned, allowing it to function as intended and maintain a tight seal. Moisture control is another area where proper installation makes a difference. While Mesa is known for its dry climate, occasional rain and temperature changes can still affect windows. Improper installation can allow water to seep into the frame or surrounding walls, leading to damage over time. Proper flashing, sealing, and drainage techniques help prevent moisture intrusion and protect the structure of the home. Durability is closely tied to installation quality. Windows that are not installed correctly may experience premature wear, including frame warping or seal failure. This can reduce their lifespan and lead to costly repairs or replacements. Proper installation ensures that the window is securely supported and evenly distributed within the opening, helping it withstand daily use and environmental conditions. Energy efficiency is one of the main reasons homeowners choose replacement windows, and installation plays a major role in achieving these benefits. When windows are installed correctly, all energy-saving features, such as multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and weather stripping, work together effectively. This results in better temperature control, reduced energy bills, and a more comfortable indoor environment. Noise reduction is another benefit that depends on proper installation. Gaps or poor sealing can allow outside noise to enter the home, reducing comfort. A well-installed window creates a tight barrier that helps block external sounds, creating a quieter and more peaceful living space. Proper installation also improves overall home comfort. Drafts, uneven temperatures, and poor airflow are often the result of poorly installed windows. By ensuring a precise fit and strong seal, professional installation helps eliminate these issues, creating a more consistent and comfortable environment throughout the home. Another important consideration is warranty protection. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation may void warranties, leaving homeowners without protection if issues arise. Choosing experienced installers helps ensure that warranties remain valid and that the investment is protected. In addition to performance benefits, proper installation enhances the appearance of replacement windows. A well-installed window sits evenly within the frame, creating a clean and finished look that complements the home's design. Poor installation, on the other hand, can result in visible gaps, uneven lines, and reduced curb appeal. In conclusion, Proper installation is essential for maximizing the performance of replacement windows in Mesa homes. From improving energy efficiency and preventing air leaks to enhancing durability and comfort, installation quality directly impacts how well windows function. By investing in professional installation, homeowners can ensure that their replacement windows deliver long-lasting benefits, making their homes more comfortable, efficient, and visually appealing.